video, we'll dive into the world of tech based on the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, its features and upgrades which has been added. Stay till the end to get full great insights. Starting with design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces subtle yet impactful changes. It features a more rounded frame and slimmer bezels, resulting in a device that's 0.4 mm thinner and slightly lighter than the S24 Ultra. However, some design choices have sparked debate. The S25 Ultra's camera lenses are encircled by raised rings, which, while aesthetically distinctive, have been criticized for potentially collecting dust and debris. Display. Both models boast expansive dynamic AMOLED displays with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals. The S25 Ultra's screen size has been marginally increased to 6.9 inches, up from the S24 Ultra's 6.8 inches, thanks to the reduced bezels. A notable enhancement in the S25 Ultra is the implementation of Gorilla Glass Armor 2, offering improved durability and scratch resistance compared to the S24 Ultra's Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering up to a 40% performance boost in CPU, GPU, and NPU tasks over the S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This upgrade enhances AI capabilities and overall responsiveness. Camera system. The camera system sees significant updates. The S25 Ultra retains the 200-megapixel main sensor but upgrades the ultrawide lens to a 50-megapixel sensor, a substantial increase from the S24 Ultra's 12-megapixel ultrawide. Additionally, the S25 Ultra introduces a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, enhancing versatility in photography. Battery life and charging. Battery capacity remains consistent at 5000 mAh for both models. However, the S25 Ultra supports faster wireless charging speeds, increasing from 15W in the S24 Ultra to 25W. S Pen functionality. A noteworthy change is the removal of Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen in the S25 Ultra. This decision simplifies the design but results in the loss of features such as remote camera shutter control, which was available in the S24 Ultra. Software and updates. Both devices run on Samsung's One UI 7, based on Android 15. Samsung has committed to providing 7 years of software updates for the S25 series, ensuring long-term support. Pricing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra starts at $1,299, which is slightly higher than the S24 Ultra's launch price. Conclusion. In summary, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers incremental yet meaningful improvements over the S24 Ultra, particularly in design, performance, and camera capabilities. However, the removal of certain features like the Bluetooth-enabled S Pen may influence your decision. If these enhancements align with your priorities, the S25 Ultra is a compelling choice. Otherwise, the S24 Ultra remains a robust and capable device. Thank you for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more in-depth analyses of the latest tech.